So this is a follow-up to my video on the Cunningham Workstation design and build. If you haven't seen that video yet, you can check it out here. I've had a couple of comments requesting that I go over how I connect my computer to the workstation, and since my setup is a little bit out of the ordinary, I figured I would make a video to describe it. I use the Cunningham with both my work supplied laptop and my own PC. The laptop is pretty straightforward. It typically sits under the chair, plugged into power and the monitor via a USB-C to DisplayPort cable. While we're here, notice the weights I currently have on the rear legs of the Poang, as well as the shims that I've glued up front. This is an extra precaution that I take to reduce the chances of forward tipping. As for the PC setup, it's a little less conventional. I actually keep my PC tucked away in a closet in the same room where the Cunningham is set up. The only cables from the computer to the chair are a 35-foot HDMI 2.1 cable and a 35-foot USB 3 active extension cable. These run through the wall and along the baseboard, mostly behind furniture. It's a bit of a work in progress. I'd like to find a cleaner way to run the cables, maybe behind or under the baseboard, in the near future. Anyway, the cables run around a corner and under a dresser, and then up through some of the chair's cable management loops and into the monitor and USB switch. The USB switch is what allows me to toggle my peripherals between my PC and my work laptop. On the monitor side of things, I switch between devices by changing the inputs. There is some room for improvement there. Switching to an HDMI KVM would allow one-touch switching between the devices, so that's on the to-do list. Another thing that I'd like to change soon is to extend the cable length of my monitor's power brick so that I can hide it away better without having to mount it on the chair leg. I hope this gives some answers to those of you with questions about how I have everything hooked up. Let me know if there's something specific that you'd like me to go over in more detail. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.